So this lesson we're learning to debug. You might have heard the word debugging, and maybe you've not heard it before. When you're writing code in any language or you're building something, when you make a mistake in programming, we call them bugs. So bugs are mistakes. Whatever mistake you make that doesn't allow your program to run completely or properly, it's a bug. So these bugs are not insects, they're not cockroaches, they're not ants, they are code bugs. Yeah. So programmers make mistakes. It's regular, it's normal. So don't feel bad when you write a program or you write code, it doesn't get to do what you want it to do. Even professional programmers, we all write bugs. Okay, or get bugs in our code, and that's why there's a term called debugging. Debugging is simply looking out for the mistakes you made and fixing them. So whenever your code doesn't work and you're looking for that mistake, you are debugging. Okay, so that's the word that you should remember. Debugging. Hey mom, I'm debugging my code. Or hey, I need to fix a bug or something. Okay, good. Now in this exercise they're going to be giving us lots of codes that have bugs. How do you find the bug in your code? It's pretty simple. The principle is this: go back to the beginning, take it one step at a time, check what do we need to have done, then check what did we do. Of course, in code.org environment, you have this step. Instead of the run that runs an entire script at once, the step helps you run your code one block at a time. So in this case, what is the problem with this? Scratch is supposed to get the acorn, but he doesn't get there. So what is the problem? Now we need to come, if you come to step, you click on step, it runs your first block and stops. Click on step, it runs your second block and stops. So you see, it was going, it got to move, and it stopped at the last block. So what do we need? We actually need to add one more move forward, and then that fixes the bug for this code. Sometimes you don't need to follow the steps. You can just look at the code and say, oh, just run through it in your mind. Smart programmers can run through a program in their mind and say, oh, where is this supposed to be and what it's supposed to be doing. So let's check this out. This program is supposed to go, sorry about that, supposed to go forward, forward, turn right, forward, forward. But what's happening? Aha, so it's only going forward once, turn right, forward, forward. So it means it turns right here before getting here. And what happens? It jumps into the ocean. Let's look at that. So it goes forward, turns right, and into the sea. Of course, so what do we need to do? So simply add one move forward at the top here. So when you run through the code mentally, you are able to fix any bug, or you're able to identify the bugs that make it not to run properly. So that's pretty simple. That's what this activity is. In this entire lesson, lesson 5, we're learning to find and fix bugs. Okay, so I'm sure you can do this now. This is quite simple. How does it go? You should just go forward, turn left, and go forward. Okay, so but you have so many forward, forward, forward. It's simple. Just go forward, turn left, and go forward. So you don't need all of these other ones. So let's look at that and go forward, turn left, go forward. Fantastic. Okay, so go ahead, fix all your bugs, and learn that critical skill of computer programmers. Have fun.